how to fix Play Store asking for password every time. Hello everybody. If you want to fix that problem on your Play Store in order to have your purchases done normally, you may follow up these steps for that. So open up Play Store, and once we open up Play Store, Google Play Store app on your Android, we can tap on our profile picture in the top right and tap on it and access our settings from here. Scroll down, find the option for settings, tap on it, and within settings we need to go to the section for payments and subscriptions. So find it up, or if you can't find it, you can head back and look out for your profile in the top and select the option of payment and subscription in this space right here. And within there, we'll be finding these options available. Select the option for purchase verification, and there we can just go over and look out for the option for verification frequency. So select verification frequency, and when we do, what we need to do is basically select the option for never every 30 minutes or never. And what it will do is you can tap on OK, and you can turn off the authentication. And what it will do is you can just go over and verify it, and it will stop asking for password every time when you try to make a purchase or everything. You can just go over and do so. You can enter your Google account password to save up your new settings and apply it up on your device on your Play Store. If that does not work, you can clear out the cache of your Play Store, hold it up, go to the info, and within there you may scroll down, find the section for storage, and look out for clear cache and clear out the cache and also your data, and then restart your phone. That should work out for you. And if you have biometrics enabled, it may be used instead of password. Ensure it's set up or disabled if preferred. And that's it everybody. You may follow this process for that method should probably work out for you. So we hope this video was helpful. Ensure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.